Now, these boots could tell some stories, man. These are the last boots I wore at my job, hauling logs off highway. I wore these things for 3.5 years. I'd say they were still, I guess they were falling apart. But these boots have been in a lot of miles. They've been in a lot of trucks. And now I gotta throw them away because I never have to work a toxic job again. Well, here's to freedom. Now it's been over 2 years since I put those boots on. And one of the most rewarding things is I get to spend every day with my family and my gorgeous wife. That job was literally robbing me of my time with my family. Now, if you're still here, I know you're gonna be one of the few that's gonna succeed at doing this. You're ready to learn the skills and put the work in to finally quit that job and have the freedom this time next year. If you're that person, I want you to comment warriors and I'll personally reach out to you and make sure you succeed. Well, let's go.